back to the channel, it's Osagie here, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing for the MacBook Air 2020. This laptop came out last year. I'm unboxing it this year. The unboxing video is going to be lit, so keep on watching. So here's the box. So now you can see my sister is her new laptop, so she's doing the unboxing. She peels off the plastic wrap and she's doing everything carefully because she does not want anything to happen to the laptop. So satisfying to watch as the plastic wrap is coming off the laptop. This is looking so nice. Yeah, get rid of the plastic leaf. And now look at the box, the beautiful looking box, and you can see the side of the laptop. And now she's trying to open the box and she's struggling. Okay, she's still trying to open the box and she's going slowly, and this is taking time, so I decided to jump in and help her. So now we are both struggling trying to, and now finally we have opened the box. So what are we going to see inside the box? Obviously the laptop, looking so nice in space gray. So she's going to take the laptop out. She's so careful, and now the laptop is beside, like just drop the laptop aside, and now we can see the USB Type-C charger. So yes, your Android chargers can charge this laptop. We keep the USB Type-C aside. Look at the manual, and it also has stickers inside as well, so keep that to the side. And this is also the charging brick, so we just keep that to the side as well. So this is like everything you get in the box. So we close the box and we are going to keep the box aside. So yeah, this is how the laptop looks. The laptop is looking so nice. So she places everything to the side so she can remove the plastic wrap from the laptop, because the laptop itself is wrapped in plastic. And as it comes off, oh, it's so satisfying, like beautiful, so beautiful. So we keep the plastic to the side, and the laptop looks so nice in its space gray. She opens the laptop and there's a foam kind of thing protecting this display, so she has to remove it because the display is also an important part of the laptop, you understand. I'm just helping her bring it forward, so just move. And the laptop is looking so nice, so she closes it. She's so scared, she's just doing everything. So yeah, this is how the laptop looks. It's nice, it's clean. So yes everyone, that will be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, and if you want to see a full review of this laptop, tell me, drop it in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with people that are in love with tech, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.